You've probably noticed in these videos that people have these sound effects when a transition happens, when they punch in, or when a graphic or image pops up. And if you create content, you're probably wondered where to get these sounds. Well, you don't have to wonder anymore because I'm going to show you how. Simply go to Google and search up Artlist.io. Artlist has thousands of sound effects you can download for any purpose. They have sound effects you can use for transition, whooshes, or even hits. They also have sound effects for what's happening visually in your video, like a campfire, typing on a keyboard, or applause, and anything else. Just go to the search bar, put a keyword in that you want sound effects for, and hundreds of downloadable options will appear. Follow to learn more tips to master short form content.